We are at the Dirty Italian, brand new in July to the neighborhood, and people are absolutely loving it. And the sandwiches, of course, speak for themselves, but I think once you learn a little bit of the storied history and meet the founder, you're going to fall in love with it too. Watch this.
The Dirty Italian is an old world tradition Italian delicatessen that meets the new world with today's modern convenience of the busy person living in a city.
New to Southie in July, but owner Talya Pessolano has spent many years working in a deli.
Started out 14 years old working for a family friend who we call Uncle Joe, Frigos in Springfield. I worked there my entire life. I never really stopped working there because even when I had vacations, I would take off time to just go home to Springfield, Mass. And help out the Frigo family, especially when they had big orders for the holidays or some weddings and graduation parties.
It was her side hustle or side hobby while she pursued a 10-year career in software sales.
Once COVID hit and we didn't have that face-to-face in-office presence anymore, I started to really get a little frustrated with the job. So I've always wanted to have my own store since I was 16, and I always kept saying one day, one day.
And one day is now. It started with a charcuterie Instagram account.
Cotton Southie, who is a Southie blogger, posted one of my creations. It went mini viral, got 2,000 followers overnight. I had to start an LLC, and then I literally had 60 orders for Valentine's Day like a week later.
And the momentum at the Dirty Italian has not stopped.
I love having regulars. I now know their whole life story. It's like we become friends, so I absolutely love seeing like the same faces, and of course new faces as well. We have a lot of people that just moved in above us, along with all of Southie. September 1st is the crazy move-in day, so we actually had a lot of people stopping here with their U-Hauls to grab sandwiches and get back on the truck.
So what should you order when you come in?
My personal favorite is Mother Teresa's turkey. It's turkey, pickles, Asiago cheese, lettuce, tomato, a little bit of mayonnaise, and red onion, and all the flavors combined just make a nice, refreshing turkey sandwich.
Other favorites, the Pessolano, and of course, Talya's Dirty Italian.
Besides just ordering a sandwich to go, we have a lot of catering prepared meals inside of our deli cases, as well as imported cheeses, stuffed peppers, meats, anything that you even want to make for yourself when you go home as far as like your own charcuterie board. We have all of the different grocery items as well. My hope is to have 5 locations. I plan on doing like every 2 years, add another location. I would love to stay around Boston is my biggest hope, so we'll see what happens, but my goal is to have 5 locations.